Welcome to TT's Corner. Today we're going to talk a little bit about Junelle Bromfield and Mark Golden. First, we're going to talk about Junelle. All summer long, up until even a week ago when she came on Sim Soul Sessions, there are a bunch of Jamaicans that were saying they don't hate Junelle, but they are angry that she spoke about her fellow Jamaicans with an American. So that's the reason why they are upset. But I was trolling the internet. Yes, I was trolling. And I came across an American content creator. And he was speaking negatively about Junelle, saying that she is an attention seeker and she's looking for clout, and also some asylum nonsense. And to my surprise, they were a bunch of Jamaicans under his post speaking negatively about Junelle. And for me, isn't that hypocrisy? Because the same thing they accused her of, speaking to an American, now they are on an American person platform bashing a fellow Jamaican. Oh my God. These people are so disgusting. And I hope that after I post, yes, I'm going to post some of these people and their comment, and I hope that after they see that, they hang their head in shame. Because I now realize that they were saying, oh, we are upset with her because Noah said something on a podcast. The podcast has nothing. In my humble opinion, the podcast has nothing to do for their disdain for Junelle. I think it's pure, unadulterated jealousy. Yes, they are jealous of that young lady. That's it. As we Jamaicans say, them just 1, 2, 3 bad mind. Next up is Mark Golden, aka Marky British. Well, Marky British was at a funeral service for the late Andrea Moore Phillips, a prominent former PNP stalwart. And he do not know time or place, so he chose to bring up something that wasn't relevant at the time, stating that Andrea wanted the position of deputy chairperson and he rejected her because of some poll that he took, and he said she graciously agreed to his rejection. Well, Andrea's husband, Mr. Phillips, did not like that at all. So he then went to the pulpit and he stood and he told Mark Golden to his face that he was a liar. He told him that the polls were fake and in no uncertain terms, his wife was upset about the rejection. Isn't that embarrassing? And funny enough, majority of the people at the service cheered for the husband and agreed with him. And as of now, the PNP doesn't stand for People's National Party, because according to what was said at the funeral, it's now called People Nasty Party. So, well, folks, trouble daddy. Trouble daddy. I tell you, when you dig hole, dig two. Because as far as I can see, stuff are going on at the PNP. And me know, before it took long, more people in the PNP can turn for Marky British. So, well, folks, if me hear anything more, I will come and share it with you. So for now, please leave a thumbs up, subscribe, comment, and share. And bless up yourself, because all me I say, trouble, trouble daddy.